Hello and welcome to your channel at Dr. Jasmine. We are back with the CAAPID program application requirements. Today is school number 9, Marquette University School of Dentistry. A legal disclaimer, this video is for informational purposes only. We do our best to bring you the best and the most updated information. But a request, please always visit the CAAPID website and the school website to ensure that you have the most updated details as far as the requirements are concerned. So the program is called Marquette University School of Dentistry, located in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and the degree awarded is a DDS. The website is marquette.edu. The program start date is August 1st, 2026. It's a 36-month program, and the program size varies. INBDE 1 is required. INBDE is also an option instead of INBDE 1. TOEFL is required with a minimum score of 80. No GRE, no ADAT. There is a bench test and the school accepts ECE evaluation. Up to 3 evaluations, letter of evaluations are accepted by the school. The school does give an I-20 and citizens and green card holders are also welcome to apply. There is a $45 application processing fee. Email will be sent by the school once your application is received by them. Here is the website programs.adia.org/CAAPID/programs. Please make sure that you always visit the CAAPID website and the school. Please like, share, and subscribe. The YouTube channel is called Dr. Jasmine, and also join us on Facebook for daily updates. Wish you all the best with your application cycle. Take care.